Alright, fellas, let's talk about something no guy wants to talk about. You're over 40, life's good. But when it's time to perform, things aren't exactly firing on all cylinders. Maybe things take longer to get going. Maybe they're not as strong as they used to be. Or maybe your confidence is taking more hits than your fantasy football team. Listen, it's not your fault. Testosterone dips, blood flow slows down, and stress doesn't help either. But before you start Googling magic blue pills, let me introduce you to 3 supplements that actually help fix erectile dysfunction naturally, effectively, and without awkward pharmacy visits. Before we go any further, we've included links down in our description to the official website for each of the products mentioned. So make sure to use those links to prevent being scammed on any fake websites. First up, Nitric Boost, the traffic cop for your blood flow. Look, getting an erection is literally all about circulation. If blood isn't flowing where it needs to go, good luck. That's where Nitric Boost comes in, packed with L-arginine, citrulline, and beetroot extract. This supplement ramps up nitric oxide production, which expands blood vessels and sends more blood exactly where you want it. Think of your blood flow like a highway. If there's a traffic jam, nothing's moving. Nitric Boost clears the roads so your performance is smooth, steady, and strong. If things have been feeling underwhelming, this is the fuel your engine's been missing. Just take 1 scoop of the powder with a glass of water every day. Or mix it in a smoothie or tea if you want. However you consume it, Nitric Boost's proprietary blend of natural ingredients goes to work immediately. Next, Eisen Power, the ultimate testosterone jumpstart. If your energy levels feel like a phone stuck on 10% battery, low testosterone is probably the reason. And guess what? Low T doesn't just kill your sex drive, it also drains your stamina, wrecks your mood, and even packs on belly fat. Eisen Power is loaded with testosterone boosting ingredients like tonkat ali and fenugreek, giving your hormones the wake-up call they desperately need. It's basically like hitting the gym for your testosterone levels without actually having to bench press anything. If you're tired of feeling like your younger self is laughing at you, this supplement helps bring back the energy, drive, and confidence you had back in the day. And finally, EndoPeak, the endurance coach for your performance. Because let's be honest, it's not just about getting started, it's about lasting. EndoPeak focuses on stamina, energy, and overall male vitality with a blend of natural herbs like horny goat weed, yes, that's a real thing, and maca root. These ingredients support blood flow, enhance endurance, and keep you in the game longer because no one wants a first quarter exit. If your stamina has been running on fumes, this supplement makes sure you're bringing your A game every time. Simply take EndoPeak with a glass of water after the first meal of the day. And quick recap, Nitric Boost gets the blood flowing, Eisen Power cranks up your testosterone, and EndoPeak makes sure your performance is strong, steady, and long-lasting. If you only grab one, go for a Nitric Boost because if the blood isn't flowing, nothing else matters. Remember, the links to all products will be down in my description. See you next time.